Hello students, myself Dr.Vaishali, NEET UG educator for biology. Today I am going to discuss about the mechanism of coagulation. Normally, when blood is enclosed within the blood vessel, clotting factors which are present in the blood are in inactivated form. And these get activated whenever there is injury takes place or certain trauma takes place. Normally, initially there were 12 clotting factors are present, but nowadays one clotting factor get added in it and totally 13 clotting factors are present in our blood, but basically are present in inactivated form. Whenever there is injury takes place, the platelets at the site of the injury get activated and secretes thromboplastin. So, regarding to the thromboplastin, one of the most important previous year question is present in the NEET examination that thromboplastin is responsible for initiation of the clotting mechanism. Then, this thromboplastin is responsible for production of the enzyme which is known as the prothrombinase. And this prothrombinase enzyme is responsible for activation of these clotting factors in particular sequence manner. And that's why this mechanism of coagulation or clotting is also known as cascade mechanism, which is also most important point regarding to your NEET examination. This prothrombinase enzyme is responsible for activation of inactive prothrombin into the active thrombin. And for this, along with prothrombinase enzyme, another important enzyme also play important role in the activation of this thrombin. And this activation of thrombokinase is basically controlled by the one of the most important vitamin K. Activated thrombin is responsible for activation of another clotting factor which is known as fibrinogen. This fibrinogen is present in inactive form in the blood initially and is also present in the soluble form. So due to the presence of activated thrombin and along with calcium ions, this fibrinogen get converted into its active form called as the fibrin and it is insoluble form, and due to which these fibers enmesh at the site of the injury and thus there is the formation of the clot or coagulum takes place, and which basically prevents or stop the oozing of blood cells out of the vessel. Thus this all the mechanism is required of about 2 to 8 minutes. There is the formation of the clot takes place and bleeding gets stopped, and all this process is most important regarding to your NEET examination. Minimum one question frequently asked on this point. So this is all about the clotting mechanism. Thank you.